One minute. Oh, okay. Sorry. Hmm.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Screen is visible.
So this is actually this is our tank.
Hmm.
So already I started yesterday. I started this.
Hmm.
So see this tank.
Hmm.
I think it is okay.
Yes, yes.
Hmm?
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
So actually, what we need to do as a designing part.
Okay.
So can you explain me and this drawing first?
Okay.
What
Okay. Okay.
what we need to do?
Okay. Let me give me control then. Just a second.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, Vishal,
Ye-
is it okay
Yes, sir.
for you?
Yes, sir. Completely with
Yeah,
permission.
because why I'm given this? Because sample project is very easy, very easy. Better we need
Hmm.
to take from Sharma ji is very experienced in project, so better learn this live project only.
Yes.
Sharma ji, correct na?
Yeah, correct, correct. तारक जी
हाँ,
मुझे कंट्रोल देना.
yeah,
Let me
control.
take the control of your PC.
I didn't get any approval. हमको कुछ
Uh,
नहीं मिला. हाँ, yeah.
Okay.
Sir, can you make this PDF in full screen because it's little bit smaller.
Mm-hmm. Already I shared to the drawing.
Okay, okay,
No,
sure. No, sure. Yeah.
okay, no problem. मैं वैसे बता देता हूँ आपको. ठीक है.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Target means like in this equipment, now you see various detailing. Okay, like lifting lugs and all that. Okay, so that is not the scope of as a piping engineer or mechanical engineer. It's not the scope of the thing. Okay, only the thing which is you need to create. Okay, like for example, this cylinder. Okay, this is in our scope. Okay, these all nozzles. Okay, this manhole. Okay, manhole means like not like this one full. Okay, okay. Uh, just a second. Hmm. For example, this cylinder is in our scope. Okay, okay. This nozzle, and this nozzle. Okay, and this foundation. This foundation is also in structure scope. Okay,
Okay.
but if you make temporary, that's okay. It is just for the we need to clear the structure guys that this much foundation we require. Okay, for example, if you need an some additional support like this, so simply you create a two box, that's it. No need to create like lifting lugs and all that like this.
Detail
Okay,
no need.
no need, that is the part of the structure, and it will be fabricated on site as it is. Okay,
Mm, mm,
because this all thing will be vendor, it comes under the scope of vendor. Okay, like
mm.
this stairs. I think this is kind of stairs or something. Okay, this is also the structure scope. Okay, like
Okay.
this handrail. Okay, above handrails. Okay,
Mm,
handrails and all that. This cone is in our scope. That's it. Okay,
mm,
this all primitives like slender. Okay,
mm,
cone. Okay,
mm.
uh, dish and boxes. This is in our scope. That's it. Okay, and nozzles.
Okay.
Yes, nozzles is
Okay.
also in our scope. Hmm.
Sharmaji, sometimes
Hmm.
we need to place dummy structural handrail and everything now.
Yes, that is in our scope, but not in our scope that we put temporary. Once the structure will provide the real structure, real
Mm,
time structure, then we
mm,
had to delete that one. That
mm.
what happens sometimes you are need to show the client, okay,
Yes,
that
yes,
this
yes,
is this is the structure we are going to put. Okay,
yes,
because
yes.
sometimes what happens, structure does not have the proper detailings.
Yeah.
Okay, because
Mm,
normally what happens in
mm.
E3 means I'm not talking about every company. So in some companies, what happen, the structure they are taking from the tagline itself.
Mm,
Okay.
Mm.
So why they are taking with Tekla? Because in Tekla, so some structures are coming in very good shapes,
Yeah,
like
perfect. Tekla is
perfect.
perfect.
Yes,
Yeah,
perfect shapes.
perfect
So what
detailing.
they are taking, yeah, but nowadays means they are not taking from Tekla, they are taking from BOCAD. Okay,
Mm.
Aviva BOCAD. Okay, so
Mm.
like the Aviva E3D is only for the piping. So same BOCAD is for the structure only.
Mm.
Okay, so they are using that only. Okay,
Mm. Mm. Mm.
so mm, so normally this is the thing they are doing day by day activities. Okay, okay. Any doubt in this?
And yeah, Vishal,
Yes,
I
sir.
will ask you small doubt, okay?
Okay.
See, Vinay Sharma, see
Hmm.
this, how can we take the dimensions for this phone? Because
See,
normally, temporarily, I kept that.
oh, see, temporary you put that, na, that's okay. Because right
Okay,
now
okay.
we don't have the exact dimensions. Okay, for the
Mm,
same.
mm,
So we,
mm,
for example, like this, we put like simple, like an estimated dimensions. Because see, that things will change later on as
mm.
per the process guidelines.
Okay.
Okay, so for example, process say according to this, if you put the routing and all that here, so it
Mm,
is
mm,
not feasible or something like that. For
mm,
example,
mm,
normally process does not interfere until and unless it's
mm,
not a critical line. Okay,
mm, mm,
for
mm,
example, you rotate line from here and or do like this and all that. Okay,
mm,
later on, you just came to know that my pipe is clashing with this nozzle. Okay. So
mm, mm.
you need to change routing from backside. Okay. I'm just giving an example.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
that case, you need to take the confirmation from the process that I'm changing this. So is it not hampering your process ideology or something?
Mm,
So
mm.
once you had convinced the process that why I need to change the routing, okay, if he's okay, then okay. Otherwise, process need to tell you. Process guy, a process engineer needs to tell you that you need to do routing like this and all that. Or either you need to change the nozzle of this side or something like that.
Mm, mm,
That means why I'm telling you, because process has done the whole calculation. For
mm,
example, if you're routing the line from this side, okay. So
mm,
process has done like this. That this is the line going from there. Then they will calculate the loads. Okay. And according to that loads, okay, the supporting guy or the structure guy put the static load over there. Okay.
mm.
Okay, static load over there. For so according to that, they will or stress guy will mark the supports over there. If you change the routing, then the stress guy, then the process loads will also change.
Yeah, yeah.
Understand, no? Means what?
Yes, yes.
Uh,
One more question.
mm,
First of all, if suppose they're given this
mm,
document to draw
mm,
equipment,
mm.
so first, what we have to start from where we need to start?
See, you just give me a see. This is a cylinder. So, for example, like this is the base. Okay. So every time, whenever you start, we need to start from base. Real reason for that is because we got the center point of the foundation. Okay. So from we created a base. Okay. Means in this the base is I think this one. Okay. But see this is our cylinder. Okay. So we this point.
That is
See you
base
see
plate. Base plate.
that is a base plate. So that base plate is also in not our scope. But normally what we do, we simply created a box and just
Yeah,
create and
yeah,
put the
temporary.
our cylinder on that.
Yeah.
Normally inside, it's not like that. This base plate is there and uh, um, below that base plate, one big foundation is there. Okay,
Yes, yes.
according to
Yeah.
the
Oh,
weight of the cylinder. Okay,
yeah.
so
Okay.
that will be a concrete foundation, and its size is around. For example, your cylinder is 6 meter. For example, I'm telling you, so
Mm,
at least one third of the
mm,
that should be there. Okay, means that's standard formula. Okay, one third of the equipment. Okay, plus its nozzles and all weight. Okay, so for example, uh, 6 meter height is there. So minimum 2 meter height will be there for the for your foundation minimum.
mm.
Okay, means and all your nozzles which we carrying, so it's no loads and weight is also included in that.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
so
from we will get from civil department, right?
civil department, yes, that you
It's
will get
okay.
from
And
civil means for example, until and unless civil will not be provided foundation, you just created us for some kind of box or something over there below the cylinder. Okay, once that all loads will be provided by the civil, then until unless you need to show the client na, that this type this we are
yeah, yeah,
keep on moving. So that time we just put a temporary like box over
foundation.
below the
Okay.
cylinder. Once the civil foundation will give you that load, you
Mm.
will delete that one. For
Okay.
example, your equipment is underground. Just
Mm.
I'm telling you, for like
Mm.
for chemical industries, mostly equipments are underground. Okay. So
Mm.
in that case, like your equipment is underground, in that case, you
Mm.
can't make too much big foundation because it's already underground. Okay.
Mm.
If it's above ground, then there might be chances that it will go dump or something like that. Okay. Okay. So in that case, you no need to make that such big foundation. In that, if you make a 1.5 meter foundation, that is also okay. Okay. Second thing, if your foundation, sorry, if your cylinder is going between two levels, okay, means floor is there, it will be at the center. Okay, some part is above the second floor, and some part is below the second floor. Okay, in that case, the foundation would be there, but some additional support you also need to provide because you can't put your equipment in air.
Mm. That is
Okay,
saddle support, right?
that is saddle support. Yes. Okay, so in
Oh.
that case, you can't put it in air. Okay, that saddle support you need to provide, and below that saddle support you need to make that foundation because that whole loads will not be gone to that saddle support.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Next. So
Mhm.
suppose, and what about this direction? How to place this with respective direction?
See, that's what I'm trying to say.
Mm. Mm.
Don't
Mm.
go with distraction, never. Because in distraction, you can't say, okay, where your equipment is locating. Okay. Not. So every time, whenever you need to go now,
Mm.
just see the overall layout. Every time you will be provided an overall layout.
Yeah,
In
this
that
one.
case, see the plan view. Okay. In
Yeah,
the
this.
plan view, this. Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
this is the GA drawing of the okay. When you give the see the whole layout. In that case, for example, it is somewhere over here. Okay. In that case,
Equipment layout, right?
yeah,
You're talking
equipment
about
layout.
equipment.
Yes.
Mm.
So in that case, your direction will be given. Okay, like
Mm.
in sample project, it is given
Mm.
like your cylinder is this, so your knots will be like this. So in that case, it will be very easy to track. Yeah, sample project you said correct. It is very easy. Okay, just for practice, that's okay. But if you
Mm.
want to like practice hard, then you need
Mm.
to go for a live project. Otherwise, it's of no use.
No, your sample is very easy because
Hmm.
everybody is saying that only.
So
No,
that's why
no.
means. Hmm.
Yeah, okay. So, do you have any layout which shows directions just for sample?
Hmm. Let me check actually. I'm having some PNIDs, not layout. I'm having PNIDs. Okay. Layout,
PNDD,
I'm
no,
not
no, we cannot say, they cannot provide a direction of in PNDD.
directions. Yes. Layout,
Yeah.
let me check actually. Means I'm not
Yes,
sure about.
Vishal,
Yes, sir.
do you have any equipment layout or some other which shows directions?
Sir,
Because direction also very important before learning this.
it is I need to check because as I earlier said to tomorrow that I will check, but my lead is not here present, so
Mhm.
I need some work. So I'm kind of very busy, so I'm not able to check that tomorrow. I will check today.
Sharma ji, this is we
Hmm.
can get this direction we can get to plan which layout, plot layout or which one?
Plot layout. Or you can say
Plot
the
plan.
key plan, or you can say the key plan.
Okay, I will check whether my friend having or not. I will ask that also.
Okay, sir, I will check today. Definitely, I will check.
Okay.
Normally, what happens, see, like this equipment, you can't say that. which is the exact direction. Okay, when you see the key plan now, in that your
Hmm.
equipment is also there. Okay, so in that direction is given proper. For example, according to this, the north direction is this, but
Hmm.
maybe in the equipment layout, your equipment's somewhere lying over here, or this nozzle lines over here. Okay, in that
Hmm.
case, your north direction will got changed.
Yeah,
Understand means
correct,
why
correct,
I'm saying.
correct.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So normally it means like with one equipment, you can't say like this is how it looks like.
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct.
Hmm.
Yes, understood. So because we need to take the maintenance, the access, road access also, everything, na?
Everything, everything. According to that, you are going to place your equipment accordingly.
So now what I drawn, it is okay, no? For
Yeah,
just
it's okay.
practice,
It's okay.
for
Yeah, it's
practice.
okay. That's why I send you that you need to practice according to that. See,
Oh, oh.
means like I already told. That's why means actually yesterday I just give you chance to practice so that if you practice now, then your doubts will come back.
Mm. Yes, so okay.
Okay, Vishal, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay.
Vishal, we want,
Yeah.
Sharma ji, he can teach very fast within 1 week. So that's not need, because we need only practice, and whether you have any question, better you ask. That is better.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
because
no
yeah,
use.
Vishal, he's saying right. How much you practice now, your doubts will come. Okay,
Oh,
means like I
yeah.
will teach you. He already told clearly, I can teach you within 1 week. That's okay, but not. It's not like that. Whether I take class 1 or 2 days, but the most important thing is that practice. If you don't practice, it's of no use for me to take 1 month class, 2 month class. No use if you don't practice. That's it.
So how about Vishal, your equipment practice? Okay.
Uh, yes, sir. Okay, but sir, as I said, sir, uh, I don't like. I'm not getting time to practice.
Yeah. So no use of
Yeah.
teaching, Sharma
Yeah.
ji.
Yeah.
Uh, Vishal,
Yes. Yes, sir.
without practice, money waste.
Yeah.
Because
You
see,
know.
Yeah.
Vishal, if you got even
Yeah.
one day, 1 hour practice na
So,
daily, then
yeah.
you need to take that time.
Yes, see, every day we are asking Sharma ji to lesson teach, but it is not no use.
Yeah.
So that's why
Practice
means
and ask.
that's why I take
Mm.
what day rest so that you can practice that time. Okay, because see, if you don't practice na, no, it's of no use.
Okay. So it means like no need of daily class. We should
No, no, no,
like.
no. I'm not saying.
Yeah.
Means what I'm trying to say.
No, no, no.
For
But
example, like, hmm
daily class means for the questions we can ask
Yeah.
Sharma ji
Yeah.
questions.
hmm.
For a doubt and like. Okay, sir. I will like from today I will practice because as I said, sir, my lead is not present in plan, so I have some like extra work, like
No, no,
making
okay,
list,
that's
yeah,
okay
making
because
reports and
because
all.
job you also need to do. No,
Yeah,
I'm not saying that because that is also. But see, means what
Mhm.
I'm trying to say. Just take daily 1 day class, 1 hour class. Sorry, 1 hour
yeah,
practice. Okay,
yeah.
take
I
one
will do,
hour.
sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
definitely,
see,
Other
if
definitely.
you, hmm,
Yeah,
Otherwise, Vishal, we cannot go front now.
yeah,
Forward, we cannot go forward. We stuck
yes, sir.
here only, equipment only. Then
Mm,
a lot of things are there to learn. When you
mm,
practice, otherwise, I will ask to Sharma ji continue. Is it okay for you?
no, no, because
mm,
see, if, Vishal, what happened if you go further now and you don't practice, you will have
yeah,
the recording, but until and unless you
yes,
don't practice now, you will forget the
hmm,
previous one. That is the
yeah,
issue.
yes, sir. Hmm. Okay, sir. Let me please continue if you want to continue. Left forward, continue. I will practice from today.
No,
Just yeah,
means what I'm trying to say, it's not like that I want like that already. Because see, if you practice now, okay.
yeah,
So for example, like Tarakji done the practice, okay. So their
hmm,
doubts will come,
hmm,
okay now. So like just practice, no problem. I don't mind. If in 1 week we have only equipment, no problem. But the thing is that concept should be clear to you. Like
Yes,
what,
sir.
like
Yes.
he done the modeling. Modeling, I told na, modeling you will do in 50 minutes, 20 minutes. It's not a big task. The thing is that then you need to understand the concept. If you don't understand the concept now, means like it's of no use. Either if I take also what I can say, 2 months classes, 3 months classes, no use.
No, but Sharma ji, for me, I need very fast
No,
because
no,
next
that's
month
okay.
I need to change other field.
No, no, that's okay. Means
Uh,
that's okay. For see, means what I do, Vishal, you just today do the practice. Okay, make some equipment. I don't say that critical equipment, at least, but sample project is quite simple. If you take an equipment, just understand. See, means what I'm trying to say you, whenever you do the equipment now, just think if you need to install this on the site, how you will start. If you thinking like that, na, then it will be very easy for you to start.
Yes, sir.
Okay ना?
Yes, sir. मैं
So
आपसे
तारक जी
करूँगा।
it's
Yes.
है ना? तो विशाल आज से प्रैक्टिस कर लेना, ठीक है?
Yes,
देखो
sir. Yes,
डाउट
sir.
आएंगे, कोई इशू नहीं।
Hmm.
हम अगर
Hmm.
कल देखो अभी आज तुम्हारा इक्विपमेंट हो जाएगा। रीजन क्यों
Hmm.
बता रहा हूँ मैं, वो भी बताता हूँ। मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जब तक इक्विपमेंट नहीं रहेंगे ना, तब तक पाइपिंग
Hmm.
करके कोई फायदा नहीं।
Hmm.
समझ रहे हो मेरी बात?
Yes,
क्योंकि
sir.
पाइपिंग इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड विद द इक्विपमेंट। ओके, उसके बाद भी क्या है, पाइपिंग में भी तीन चीजें आती हैं। वन
Hmm.
थिंग इज दैट नॉर्मल पाइपिंग, सेकंड
Hmm.
थिंग इज इट्स कनेक्शंस, पाइपिंग कनेक्शन, एंड थर्ड थिंग इज स्लो पाइपिंग।
Hmm.
Okay, slow piping. Why slow piping is important? For example, in oil and gas, I'm just giving an example. Why slow piping is used? First question is like that. If I say why slow piping is used, what would be your answer? And what do you mean by slow?
स्लोप मीन्स है सर कि पाइपिंग हम जो पाइपिंग से जो इंस्टॉल करेंगे, आई मीन उसको जो रूट करेंगे वो एक पर्टिकुलर किसी एंगल पे होगा, लाइक उसका स्लोप होगा।
I think for pre-draining,
Yes, free draining. This is the
जी।
perfect answer. Free draining. Okay. जैसे अभी बोला,
ओके।
फ्लो तो नॉर्मल पाइप में भी हो जाएगा, बट व्हाई वी नीड फ्री ड्रेनिंग? फॉर एग्जांपल सम लिक्विड्स, if we go for a sulfur recovery unit, okay, or a flare unit, okay, in that case it's not easy for a straight pipe to go. There should be some slope is there. Slope means deflection in pipe, simply word.
ओके।
it, why we require, so that free drain would be there. I will show you some pin IDs tomorrow, okay. In that case it would be written, okay, free, in pin ID itself it's mentioning free draining. Okay, it should be given free drainage or free drainage. Okay, so what happened in case of flare? I can say flare. What is flare? It is kind of gas. So
यस
if
सर।
we go through the pipe now, in straight pipe it will not go. Okay, normally flare it's in the form of gas, so you can't transport it like that. You need to refrigerate it and convert it into liquid. Okay. So that liquid viscosity is not that much good. So for that, we need slope. Okay. Understand? Any doubt, Vishal?
नो सर।
Okay. So for that free draining now, we require some tapping points. Okay. So what is those tapping points? Basically, whenever the pipe है तुम्हारा, पाइप अंदर से कैसा है तुम्हें नहीं मालूम, हो सकता है उसमें कुछ मिट्टी है, there might be some rust, there might be some dust. Okay, so whenever the flow is going now, you just provide a tapping. Okay, so you just open that tap, whatever the clean water is there, it will go straight. Okay, and the rest is coming out of that drainage, that tapping. Okay, in that too there are some high pressure vent and high pressure drain. Okay, vent are always at higher position and drain is always at the lower position. Just remember this thing. Okay, okay. That drain and your vent will be provided by the process guy. That's it. Or stress guy. Temporary you can put anywhere, but later on you just He will tell you that you need to give high pressure vent or high pressure drain. Understand? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
ठीक है. अच्छा, दूसरी चीज आती है. Piping connection is through 2 point. Two means it is done by two things. One is connect position and another is split position. Okay. Connect position is like that. For example, you having two equipments. Okay. One is tank and one is pump. So you know that from this tank to pump nozzle connection is given. So that is called connect position. Okay. One position is calling explicit position. Explicit position means you don't know that from where piping is coming. So you just randomly clicks as anywhere. So from there
Okay.
you are doing the piping and you just do the changing like by up, by down and all that. In that case, you know the exact position of the piping or coordinates of the piping. Okay.
Okay.
So that is called the, for example, in layout, 90% pipings will be done by split piping, initial stage until and unless you got the equipment layout. Okay. Any doubt, Tarakji?
No, no.
Clear enough. So
Clear.
just what I need from you guys, just make 3 to 4 equipment so that I can clearly show you the pipe routing. Reason is like that because that with that pipe routing, your three things are connected. One is your isometric, okay. One is your supporting, okay, and rest is your what I can call GA drawing, equipment overall layout, equipment and piping layout. Understand that? Tarun?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, means like if I create like piping now over here, so I don't know where this piping goes needs to connect. Okay, understand Taraji, what I'm trying to say?
Mm-hmm.
है ना? So that's why I give you 1 day rest or something like that, so that you can practice and you can make at least 2 or 3 equipments, so that if we need to do the routing and all that, see if
Pump,
when
pump,
you
pump, no need,
hmm,
no? Pump, no need,
pump
right?
you can make from standard equipments.
Yeah, yeah.
You know na how to create a standard equipment.
No, no, one more thing I want to ask you. See,
Hmm.
I forgot. See, actually,
Hmm.
this here, I made this example.
Hmm.
And a given, but when I click here, I can't see anything.
No, no,
This
you can't
I
see
need
anything.
because
This you can't see.
I need this total
Hmm.
into this. How can it is placed?
Okay. See, this means all equipment you need in one that.
Yes,
Correct?
yes.
See, it's not means like if the entire equipment you can't move. Okay. One by
Mm.
one, that components you need to move. Okay.
Mm.
That variable command and all that, but it's quite lengthy. Understand?
Okay.
So normally what they do in companies, normally this process is done by the admin only.
Mm-hmm.
Normally what happen in industry, even you can't make this equipment. They are for example, this zone is they will create, this equipment they will create. Okay. Okay. For example, by mistake you created this one. So simply you need to create, so tell the admin. So he will be creating it for you in that simple
Oh,
equipment zone.
okay.
Okay.
So
So
now
don't
we
worry
cannot.
about that.
Uh,
No, you can, but it's a quite lengthy process. Because
mm-hmm.
that E3D admin, they are having some macros and all that.
It separately came.
Yeah. That's why. Means I tell you, normally in the case of piping, what happens when you start piping from this to this, okay, your gasket and flange come automatically if it is compatible to that zone. For example, your nozzle is 150 rating, okay,
Mm.
but that 150 rating gasket and uh, flange is not available in the spec or something, okay. So it will be showing an error that uncompatible this gasket and flange is there. Okay. So in that case, you need to do gasket and flange manually.
Mm.
Understand? No?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So normally in that case, you just simply do connect that pipe and then do the piping as per your what I can say the process compatibility or your space availability. because you need to see the everything. For example, if you are doing the routing of the piping, you can't create wall here. If you create the wall here, how could a person will be accessing? So for that, he needs to prepare a separate platform. Okay, so that
Mm.
you need to see. For example, I'm just giving an example. Okay, this is your equipment. Okay, so for example, same one, two, three, four equipments are there. So you discuss with the structure guide that we simply create a single platform for all equipment. Understand? No? Means what I'm trying to say. So that your person will come. So because
Grouping,
see,
grouping.
yeah, roofing. So
Uh,
in that case, uh, all four equipments will be easily accessed. Okay. So for all equipments, you just create a single wall station. In that, your all walls will be in single line or single header. And you understand what I'm trying to say? Hello?
Yes, sir.
विशाल मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
जी, जी, आ रही है प्रॉपर।
है ना? तारक जी कुछ बोल नहीं रहे। तो नॉर्मल विशाल होता क्या है कि जैसे चार इक्विपमेंट्स है तुम्हारे, ठीक है, और उन
हुँ,
सबके वॉल्स आ रहे हैं, तो वो वॉल एक ही हेडर में ना, एक ही लाइन में बन जाते हैं, ठीक है,
ओके।
सो दैट कि जो
हुँ,
बंदा आएगा, ही कैन इजीली डू द मेंटेनेंस एंड ऑल नेसेसरी एक्टिविटीज फॉर द सेम।
हुँ।
ठीक है, अभी इसमें कोई डाउट?
नो सर।
ठीक है। विशाल
and
ऐसा करना तुम, ये तारक
उसको
जी।
बोलिए बोलिए उसको बोलिए, मेरा
अच्छा,
स्मॉल डाउट।
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए, नहीं बोलिए बोलिए, कोई इशू नहीं।
Actually, how to find coordinates for this?
See, coordinates means, for example, when you got the key plan now, okay, in that key plan, for example, like in
Uh,
sample project, you see, for every equipment, it's north, east, and that elevation is given. Okay, same in the key plan now. For example, this is your some equipment, okay, some vessel or something. For example, its name is V1375.
yeah, yeah,
I'm just
yeah,
giving
that's
an
I know, that's I know. But here,
hmm,
in the graphic,
in
what command
graphics.
we need to use?
No, no. In graphics, actually, if you go for like, for example, I need to see. Okay. But
Mm,
remember every time, for example, this is your equipment. Okay.
mm, mm.
So whenever you give the coordinates should be for only this, not for the primitives. So this is the
Yes, yes.
command.
Mm.
Okay. So it will give you all your positions.
Q port, correct. Okay,
Uh,
okay.
or if you go by the toolbar, na, you can
Mm,
go from this only also.
mm.
Okay.
Position.
Means simply I click that one.
Mm,
Okay, so that position tab will open. Okay.
mm,
Second thing, 2.1 and 3.1 means like you click that one position, so one dialog box will be open. Okay, in the 3.1, it's not like that. So
mm,
for there, admin create a new tab.
mhm.
Understand means what I'm trying to say?
No, this I can
Normally
not.
means, for
Uh,
example, if I need to create measure the distance, okay, this distance. So what
mm,
happens? For example, I click this side and this side. Okay, just I'm giving example. So
mm,
this distance is come. Okay, but in E3D 3.1, this is in 2.1, but in
mm,
3.1, its option is different. So that's
mm,
why I'm telling you, but don't worry, for that E3D admin in
mm,
companies, they created a new tab, okay,
mm,
for measurements and all that.
mm.
So that
Okay.
means what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, yeah. And one more
Okay.
thing. So what
Huh.
what they will ask in interview?
See, in interview, normally they will ask, first question, they will ask you, for example, if you say like I'm having 10 years exam experience or AVSC experience, first thing they will ask, how, for example, you are working in a plant, okay, as a piping designer, okay, you seen the layout, you said yes. So, which are the equipments in your project? Okay, so first remember those equipment. Like some equipments are common, okay, your condensers are common,
Exchanger, separator,
exchangers are common,
exchanger, tank,
tanks are common, reboilers are common.
reboiler. Pumps are
This,
common
yeah, pumps are
and
common. Okay, in pumps,
column
yeah,
piping, column.
column pipe, yeah. In columns, which
Mm,
type of column? Okay, this is also the common questions. Okay, so for example, pumps are there. So what
mm,
are the name of those pumps?
mm,
Knockout drums. Okay, knockout drum is most important because flare line is always there. Okay,
mm,
okay. So
POD.
like pumps, what type of pumps? You say centrifugal pump. In centrifugal, there how many types? There are three types of centrifugal: front
mm,
section, front front section, and front discharge. Front section top discharge. Okay. Second
mm,
is front section side discharge, and another is top section top discharge. These are the three pumps normally
mm,
used in industry. Okay. Then
mm,
this question is, how would you decide the pumps? Okay. That pump
mm.
is not decided by us. That is the vendor property. That's why we are not creating any kind of pumps in our industry. Normally, you see, whosoever the working on site, you see have seen that pumps will be installed by the vendor only.
Yeah, yeah.
When you
Vendor
create the
package.
drawing, when you create a drawing, either you create a 2D drawing or you can create a dummy on the 3D model. So once
Mm,
the vendor will provide you the 3D model, you simply place over that and you will delete the previous model. Okay. Any doubt, Vishal? Vishal?
No,
Any doubt,
no, sir.
Tarakji?
no, no.
Clear, na?
And one after that, that is technical. And tool test is also there, no?
Yeah, tool test, see, tool test will be simple. For example, they will give you one tank, okay, one
Mm,
vessel, and two
mm,
pumps. And you need to connect the pipe routing. Why they are taking that one? Because in pipe routing,
mm,
what is the sequence you need to follow, especially for suction line, okay, and discharge
mm,
line, okay?
mm,
What
mm,
kind of support you are using? That they just want to see. Understand means what I'm trying to say.
mm.
So
Okay.
that is the most important thing, actually.
Mm.
समझ आ गया ना विशाल मतलब कैसे है?
जी जी सर।
क्योंकि
सर मेरे
देखो
Yeah.
को एक चीज
इंट्रो,
सर
हाँ
मेरे को
बोलो
एक
बोलो।
चीज पूछना है। सर अभी आप पोजीशन कर रहे थे ना, तो अभी अगर हमें सर, जैसे आपने नोजल, अभी मेरे को सिलेक्टेड नोजल दिख रहा है, तो इस केस
हम्म
में सर उसके अगर हम कोऑर्डिनेट डालेंगे, देन केवल नोजल ही वहां से मूव होगा, एक जिस पर्टिकुलर कोऑर्डिनेट पे जाएगा जिसको हम डाल दें।
हाँ
तो ऐसा हम
हम्म
हो जो उसको हम एज ए होल इक्विपमेंट अगर मूव करना चाहे तो हम इस
हम्म
सेंटर, देन
हम्म
इसको कैसे हम कर सकते हैं?
देखो ये है तुम्हारा, ठीक है,
हाँ,
ये है जैसे अभी तुम्हारा क्यू पॉज है 000, ठीक है, इसको
ओके,
सिंपली
हाँ,
क्लिक करो। मैंने कहा
हम्म,
मुझे ईस्ट में इसको मूव करना है, ठीक है। सो सिंपली आई चेंज द ईस्ट, फॉर एग्जांपल आई पुट 3000। सो नाउ दिस होल विल बी मूव, करेक्ट। ओके।
नो, नो सर, केवल नोजल मूव हुआ ना अभी तो, जस्ट
नोजल मैं
नोजल।
वही बता रहा हूँ, मैंने इसलिए नोजल पे ही क्लिक किया है, ठीक है।
ओके।
ठीक है ना, मैं एक एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ, अगर तुमको पूरा मूव करना है ना, ठीक है। सो फॉर एग्जांपल आई पुट दिस, हो गया
ओके,
पूरा मूव।
ठीक है, फिर फ्रॉम
सी,
सेंटर इट विल टेक फ्रॉम सेंटर।
center means because I given only east. If I put the north also, it will go like this and this.
ओके
Understand?
सर, ओके सर, या।
See, means that is what I'm trying to say. In E3D, it's most because you तुमने देखा होगा हमें SP3 में भी पूरे इक्विपमेंट का जो जोन था उसको क्लिक करके उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज डालते थे वो चेंज होता था। सेम
जी।
इसमें भी हुई है। जब भी करना है हमें कभी देखो, हम 0 0 क्यों बनाते हैं, सिंपल चीज समझो। उसमें क्या होता है, जैसे अभी तुम्हारा नोजल फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ से तुम्हारा नोजल 600 mm ऊपर है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, जब वहां पे उस नोजल पे क्लिक करेंगे ना, सपोज वो नीचे बना है तुम्हारा, ठीक है, कहीं भी बना है, तो तुम क्या, जैसे 600 था, बाद में बता जाए 600 नहीं, इसको तो 850 करना है। तो जैसे 850 डालोगे ये एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन पे आएगा, उसके बाद तुम
यस।
पूरा का पूरा इक्विपमेंट को ही शिफ्ट कर दो, समझ में मेरी बात। मतलब पहले 0 0 पे बना लो, उसका जो एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन है, यू कैन शिफ्ट द होल इक्विपमेंट
हेलो।
टू दैट लोकेशन। हाँ विशाल बोलो। हेलो।
हाँ सर, थोड़ा इशू आ गया था, ठीक है।
हाँ ठीक है। मीन्स क्या होता है, फर्स्ट यू मेक द 0 0 इक्विपमेंट, देन मेक द ऑल द डायमेंशंस, ओके। उसके बाद क्या होगा, सपोज तुमने पूरा इक्विपमेंट 30, मतलब यहाँ तो हम 3000 4,000, लेकिन इन इंडस्ट्री इट्स नॉट लाइक इन 3 meters और 4 meter, इट माइट बी 30 meter, इट माइट बी
या।
300 meters, okay, so that distance will be long, okay. In that case, first make the equipment and 0 0, and then shift the whole coordinate of the whole equipment, not single nozzle or something. Understand now? Means why I'm trying to why we need to make it 0 0, because in 0 0 your coordinates will be locked independent
Yes.
component. Okay, then you will shift the whole equipment. अंडरस्टैंड तारा जी?
Yeah, yeah.
ओके विशाल, इसमें कोई डाउट कुछ
No, 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 sir.
क्लियर ना?
Yeah.
ठीक है विशाल, जस्ट डू वन थिंग टुडे, जब भी तुमको टाइम मिलता है, मैं ये नहीं कहता तुम्हारा भी जॉब है तो मैं ब्लेम नहीं कर रहा, एटलीस्ट मेक 4 to 5 इक्विपमेंट्स, आइटम मेक्स नॉट, सी अभी जैसे तारा जी ने, ये इक्विपमेंट भी ठीक है एंड इट्स नॉट दैट मच डिफिकल्ट.
Mm-hmm.
ओके, सी व्हाट आई एम
Mm-hmm.
ट्राइंग टू से कि एटलीस्ट तुम्हें कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो.
जी.
क्योंकि देखो, जब तुम इक्विपमेंट बनाओगे, जब तुम पाइप रूटिंग करोगे ना, तो उस पाइप रूटिंग में 4 सवाल मैं तुमसे पूछूंगा, उससे तुम्हें क्लियर होगा कि हमने ऐसे क्यों किया. देखो, पाइप रूटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर में एक ऑप्शन होता है ऑटो रूटिंग, रूटिंग
Yes.
ऑटोमेटिकली कर लेगा, ठीक है.
Mm-hmm.
लेकिन वो क्या है, वो कोई क्लैश नहीं देखेगा, कुछ नहीं देखेगा, वो देखेगा कि मुझे इजी कहाँ से पड़ रहा है. लेकिन लाइक आई टोल्ड ना, इन इंडस्ट्री दैट रूटिंग इज नॉट दैट मच इजी. ठीक है ना?
Yes,
नाउ
sir.
क्लियर? विशाल, एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
तारक जी, एनी डाउट?
No, no, no doubt.
Clear na? So normally what I expect from you guys, just make 3 to 4 equipment, and like Taraji, can you can take the layout from, or the navis I shown you na. So just
Hmm.
take the dimensions, not exact dimension, a roughly estimation. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So just
Today I will make at least 3, 4
yeah,
equipment.
yeah, like some big equipment means like
Mm-hmm.
don't make every details like handrails. Okay,
No,
like
no, no, no.
circular platform. No need to go for that.
Yes, yes. Simple, simple.
Simply just simple equipments. Okay.
Okay. I
So
will
just
make today at least 3.
means what I'm trying to say, like if you make that one na, like with estimate rough estimated dimensions, it will also help you to while routing the pipe na. Then you will see that what's the routing you have done. Okay, and what is the exact routing in the means plant. Okay, so you can see the difference. So in that, why they have done that routing and why we have done this routing. So what is the difference, that in that case your concept will got more clear. Understand ना मीन्स तारक जी?
Yeah, yeah.
ठीक है, सेम विशाल
Yes.
होता क्या है, जब इसमें करोगे ना, यहाँ रियल टाइम में, और जब तुम उसमें देखोगे नेविस में, तो तुम्हें डिफरेंस पता चलेगा कि उसमें कैसे और करता है और हमने क्यों करता है. ठीक है ना? तो उससे तुम्हें क्लियर होगा कि तुम्हें कैसे रूटिंग करनी. नॉर्मली समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन, तारक जी, इन इंडस्ट्री
Hmm.
they don't have any data or something, so they give you the equipment list. Okay, equipment layout, and they give you a reference navis. Okay, so from that navis you need to see the routing, and you need to not exact routing like that, but at least they will give you an idea for the same. That routing keeps on changing with the uh, process, what I can say, process inputs and all that. ठीक है विशाल, कोई डाउट इसमें भी?
नो सर, आज करूंगा सर, मैं भी आज 3-4 इक्विपमेंट बनाऊंगा
हाँ,
टाइम
मतलब
निकाल के
एटलीस्ट
फिनिश
देखो,
करना
मेरा मैं ये नहीं कह रहा को बहुत क्रिटिकल इक्विपमेंट. ठीक है,
है।
जैसे अभी तारगी ने बनाया, ये देखो, ये अच्छा इक्विपमेंट भी है और सिंपल है,
जी
ज्यादा कोई वो नहीं है.
जी जी
देखो, उसमें लाइक मैन होल्स है, वो हैंडल वाला है, नो नीड टू गो फॉर दैट, सिंपली जस्ट मेक अ
जी।
नोजल, दैट्स इट. ओके,
हम्म।
है ना?
ओके।
और दूसरी चीज है कि जैसे अभी कोऑर्डिनेट्स तुम चाहे 0 0 ही रख दो, कोई इशू नहीं. जैसे एक 0 0 बना दो, एक अंदाजे से, जैसे मैंने बताया ना तारा जी को, जस्ट टेक द डायमेंशन approximately. So just make difference according to that. Okay. So for that, if you do now, see, means what I'm trying to say, I will give you a basic thing. The rest thing need to polish, and that has to be done by you.
यस सर, आई
Understand ना?
नीड टू एक्सप्लोर। या।
है ना? अभी कोई डाउट तारा जी एंड और विशाल, एनी डाउट यू हैव?
No, I mean,
है ना? तो जस्ट विशाल आज ये करना, ठीक है? तुम एक थोड़ा सा जैसे 3 4 एक बेसिक बेसिक इक्विपमेंट बना दो, और पंप्स है वो स्टैंडर्ड इक्विपमेंट से बना लो. ओके.
सर एक चीज सर, जो सर जो अभी सर सामने में हम लोग को दिख रहा है इक्विपमेंट, उसमें जो
हम्म.
सर ने बेस बनाया, बेस एक
हम्म.
बेस सिलेंडर है, एंड देन एक अपना जो मेन वेसल है, सो वो जैसा दिख नॉर्मल सिलेंडर है, बीच में से एक वो दिख रहा है ना छोटा सा,
हम्म।
तो इसको कैसे उन्होंने सेट किया होगा?
देखो, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना। देखो, इन्होंने क्या किया, सबसे पहले ये सिलेंडर बनाया। ठीक है।
ओके, हाँ, ये छोटा सा।
ठीक है।
ठीक है।
उसके बाद क्या है, ये वाला सिलेंडर ना उसमें ही फिक्स कर दिया।
ओके।
नॉर्मली क्या होता है, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। ये सिलेंडर अलग बनता है। ठीक है ना। उसके बाद जो ये वाला सिलेंडर भी है ना, ठीक है, ये सिलेंडर भी यहाँ तक ही बनता है इंडस्ट्री में। ठीक है। उसके बाद ये ऊपर वाला सिलेंडर ये तीन चार हिस्सों में बनता है। रीजन क्या होता है इसका, जैसे मैंने दिखाया था ना उस दिन तुमको वीडियो में,
जी जी।
कि वो जो
हाँ
बनता है
हाँ।
ना, वो कभी सिंगल इक्विपमेंट नहीं बनता, वो
नहीं, मैं
टुकड़ों में
ऐसा ही
बनता है।
बनाता है, मैं ऐसा ही बनाता देख एक बार।
हाँ, एक बार इसको दिखा दो।
या
ओके।
दिस इज द फर्स्ट सिलेंडर। ठीक है।
हम्म।
देखो,
दिख रहा है ये।
जी।
पीस पीस दे।
हाँ।
ओके।
रीजन क्या है,
टू
क्यों?
टू 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 मीटर बनाया था, 2 2 मीटर।
हाँ,
ओके।
रीजन
ओके।
क्या है वो भी बताता हूँ। जब हमें इसको इंस्टॉलेशन, सपोज मुझे ऊपर वाला पोर्शन का ही मेंटेनेंस करना है, मुझे नीचे जाना ही नहीं है। ठीक है।
हम्म।
तो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल जस्ट रिमूव द टॉप वन, टॉप टू
हम्म।
लेयर्स, एंड देन डू द मेंटेनेंस।
या।
ओके। वो बाकी मैंने बताया ना, फॉर एग्जांपल योर इक्विपमेंट इज अंडरग्राउंड। ओके।
हम्म।
some part is underground, some part is above ground. So the portion which is above ground na, you simply remove that one only,
या।
because जितना इजी इसको निकालना होता है उतना इजी इसको इंस्टॉल करना नहीं होता। इसलिए ये उतना ही पोर्शन निकालते हैं जिसमें मतलब जो प्रोसेस है या मेंटेनेंस गई है उसको दिक्कत ना हो। समझ रहे हो मेरी बात, मैं कहता हूँ।
जी सर।
ठीक है ना। अभी क्लियर, इसमें कोई डाउट?
नो।
मतलब अभी के लिए तुम चाहे फुल इक्विपमेंट बना दो, वो कोई इशू नहीं, बट
हम्म।
कॉन्सेप्ट मैं बता रहा हूँ तुमको कि किस तरह बनता है। ठीक है
जी।
ना। बनाने को भी
हम्म।
सॉफ्टवेयर तो एक, क्योंकि देखो, जब तुम्हारे पास तुम्हारा ये ड्राइंग ना साइट पे जाता है, ठीक है, तो जो साइट पे
हम्म।
बंदा होता है उसको 2D ड्राइंग जाता है, कभी 3D नहीं जाता।
हम्म।
ठीक है ना। तो वो क्या करता है, वो उसके हिसाब से ही जब तुम उसका जी एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हो, उसके हिसाब से ही तुम्हारा आगे इंस्टॉलेशन करता है। ठीक है। अभी इसमें कोई डाउट?
नो।
अच्छा विशाल, एक चीज और अच्छा तुमने याद दिलाया, ताकि इट्स फॉर यू ऑल्सो। फॉर
हम्म।
एग्जाम्पल, नॉर्मल प्लांट्स, ओके, लाइक ऑयल एंड गैस प्लांट्स, means like your designing and your construction does not go simultaneously. Okay. But in case of offshore, okay, that construction is going simultaneously. Means what I'm trying to say, whatever the changes are coming now, that comes regularly. But in normal oil and gas plant, the changes are not coming frequently. This is one of the difference in offshore and onshore. Whatever the site you are doing now, that is onshore. Okay.
यस। यस सर।
Okay. Any doubt, Karaji?
No, no.
Okay, means why I'm trying to say you, like the ship. Okay, there what is happening, daily oil is extracting and it is shifting daily. Okay, so what happen if do that thing is done daily now? So that's why some changes in process, some changes in hazardous, everything will be coming daily, day by day basis. So there might be some changes daily. So in that case, the changes comes frequently, but not in onshore.
So there is class tomorrow.
Yeah, class tomorrow, same time.
So
Just
today
just
I will make at least 3 or 4 equipments.
equipment.
Then we
Hmm.
can start piping.
Piping.
Maybe.
Yeah. So tomorrow
Vishal,
we have
if
piping.
you are
यस
not
सर।
Vishal, if you not practice, we cannot go forward. But I need to go forward.
यस सर,
No,
आई कैन
see,
अंडरस्टैंड सर।
Vishal, you
या।
also. It means
या।
just daily take 1 hour. Okay, tomorrow
ओके।
is class. So Sunday we will have rest. Sunday you practice. Okay, and Monday onwards we will Monday, like Monday, Tuesday, because next week is Diwali. Okay, so 31st, first 2 days means 30, because after Friday. Okay, continuously everyone is on rest, so I don't want that you don't celebrate your festival, correct?
Hmm.
Okay, so I just want if 28, 29, 30, 31st. Okay, this 4 day, okay, 30, sorry, 3 days continuously we need to finish the piping. The rest 31st is Diwali, first, second, third, these 4 days I want I don't want to spoil anyone because some weekend, some festival is there. So you understand means like everyone is busy. So that's why I want till next week. Okay, your what I can say piping will be done. Correct,
And
Taraji?
yes, yes. Sharmaji, one more thing.
Hmm.
Actually, I plan to go abroad to search a job, not in
Yes,
India.
you told me. Yes, you
So
told me.
whatever complicated things I need to practice, you guide me. I will
Hmm.
do practice more because I don't
Hmm.
have any time. Maybe
No, no,
mid of
that's why I'm trying
mid
to say because see,
yeah,
like I already told na.
Mid
Hmm.
of November or end of the November, I'm trying to take a visa for abroad. That means
Hmm.
Dubai or some other country.
No, no. If you
My
want to
friends
go
are
na,
there.
yeah,
Mm,
if you want to go, I will
mm,
suggest you
mm,
right now in UAE. The work
mm,
is not that much in E3D. But if you want, either
mm,
you will try for Saudi, either
mm,
you will try for Oman because these countries, because
mm.
my two candidates just now got visa for South, sorry, this Oman,
Okay,
Muscat.
okay. Mm, mm,
So just means if you want to go for UAE, you go, but it's of no use
mm, mm,
for the current scenario. I'm telling you, okay.
mm,
If you want to go, don't go Dubai. Try
mm.
for Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, no problem. And I will
Okay.
check if I confident in this E3D,
Which
then
company
only.
you need to go? Which company you need to go or contact? I will tell you also that.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
Okay. I will guide you. No problem in that. Okay. Okay. विशाल अभी क्लियर है कोई इसमें डाउट?
नो सर, ठीक है,
ठीक है
ओके
मतलब
सर,
जस्ट
मैं
प्रैक्टिस मतलब ऐसा
हाँ
करना जस्ट मेक 3 to 4 इक्विपमेंट्स ओके
या
बिकॉज नेक्स्ट वीक इज द दिवाली सो आई डोंट वांट कि किसी का मतलब वो मतलब एंजॉय भी करना जरूरी है ठीक है एंड तारक जी का जो टारगेट है ठीक है तारक जी आफ्टर
Mm,
पाइपिंग our main task is for example
mm,
isometric it is of 1 day okay
mm, mm, mm.
your supports it is of 1 day okay the main
And
thing which take the
some small structure also, no? Like pipe
Structure,
rack,
I will
pipe
tell
rack.
you, like how to create the beam, how
Yes,
to
yes,
create the
yes.
columns, that I will tell
Mm.
you. But
Yeah, yeah.
normally, it's not in our scope. But I will tell you, like for
Just for
temporary,
idea. Just for
how
idea.
you to create the handrails and all that, that I will tell you. But that is I'm telling you, one
Mm,
day our isometric, 1 day our supports, 3 days our structure. Okay, and means for structure, don't go in that much detail. Okay, just know how to create. That's it.
mm, 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 mm.
Okay. And 3 days our, for example, if I need to calculate from the piping takes around 4 or 5 days. Okay. Like tomorrow, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It will take 4 days, it will take for piping. Okay. Once your piping will be finalized with all fittings like walls, gaskets, and T's and all that. Okay. All wall stations. Okay. So after that, you will be starting your isometrics. Not isometric, first we need to create a structure. Okay. So that structure, and after that structure, we need to create the supports. Okay. Because if structure is not there, how could you support?
Yes.
Okay. Understand, Tarji?
Yeah, yeah,
सर इसमें हम लोग सर एमटीओ वगैरह एक्सट्रैक्ट करना भी एक्सेल में कन्वर्ट वगैरह सब इसमें
देखो एमटीओ
सीखेंगे हम लोग।
वही मैं बता रहा हूँ देखो
yeah.
नॉर्मली क्या होता है इन इंडस्ट्री you
Yes.
need to calculate the MTO by macros,
ओके।
okay, or manual MTO. But manual MTO is not exact. Okay, when you create the isometric, na, in that BOME will be generated. So through that you can create the, for example, in some isometric or in some piping, you put some items as non, what like non-reportable. Okay, so in that case, the report it will not come in that report. For example, like some bends are there in slope lines. Okay, so if you uh, put it as non-reportable, it will not come into report. But that in actually that figure that things you require on site. Okay, so for that you need to give it manually. Understand?
ओके सर, बट सर मैं मैनुअल यहाँ पे एमटीओ हैंडल करता हूँ, तो वहाँ
हम्म
सर मेरे को हेड ऑफिस से आता है, उसके पीछे के
हम्म,
एक हर एक पर्टिकुलर आइसोमेट्रिक का एक एक्सेल शीट होता है, वो ऑटोमेटिक वो एक्सट्रैक्ट करके देते हैं। तो
हाँ
इस केस में सर क्या हम लोग भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं, मतलब क्या इसमें
नहीं जो
एमटीओ
एमटीओ
जनरेट।
होता है ना मैं वही बता रहा हूँ
जी।
तुमको। ठीक है एक मिनट मैं तुमको स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ अपना उससे थोड़ा सा
जी
तुम्हें क्लियर हो जाएगा ठीक है।
जी जी।
कंफर्म करना जब मेरा स्क्रीन आ जाए ठीक है।
ओके।
कंफर्म करना जब आया, ठीक है, आया।
आया सर, आया।
ठीक है, अब ये देखो, जैसे यहाँ पे बोल्ट रिपोर्ट है ना, ठीक है।
ओके।
ठीक
बोल्ट
है, तो
रिपोर्ट।
यहाँ पे क्या है, अभी तो मैंने कोई पाइपिंग कर नहीं रखी, तो जैसे ही मैं यहाँ करंट एलिमेंट करूंगा ना, ठीक है, यहाँ पे जनरेट होगा और सेव टू एक्सेल।
ओके, डायरेक्टली वी कैन
तो
सेव इन एक्सेल।
हाँ, मतलब जहाँ पे भी मैंने लोकेशन सेट की होगी, तो ये वहाँ पे एक्सेल में फॉर्म आ जाएगा। ठीक है,
ओके।
तो उसमें कितने बोल्ट्स हैं, कितने वो हैं, वो सारा एक एक्सेल फॉर्मेट में, कौन सा उसका मटेरियल है, कौन सा स्टैंडर्ड है, वो सब कुछ आएगा उसके लिए।
ओके।
क्लियर? कोई डाउट इसमें?
नो। ठीक है सर, इस पे भी
विशाल
हम
जी,
देखेंगे ना, इस पे भी सर हम देखेंगे लास्ट में रिपोर्ट को प्रॉपर वे में कैसे जनरेट करते हैं वगैरह।
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, देखो मैं वही
जी।
तुमको कह रहा हूँ, जब तक तुम्हारी रिपोर्ट भी तभी बनेगी जब कुछ होगा, समझ में बात?
जी, जब हम इक्विपमेंट
हाँ।
डिजाइन करेंगे।
हाँ, इक्विपमेंट डिजाइन, देखो इक्विपमेंट के केस में तुम्हें ये एमटीओ की जरूरत नहीं है उतना, लेकिन जब तुम
नहीं,
पाइपिंग करोगे ना, क्योंकि देखो मैंने
बहुत
क्या बोला,
जरूरत।
क्योंकि
हम्म,
पाइपिंग में क्या होता है, बहुत चीजें ऐसी होती है जो वेंडर की जैसे आनी है, तुम्हें परचेज करनी है।
जी।
ठीक है ना?
हम्म।
तो
हम्म।
वो परचेज तुम तभी कर सकते हो जब, समझ रहे हो, कि कुछ हो।
जी।
अब सपोज तुमने बोला कि मुझे किसी पाइपिंग में 6 एल्बो चाहिए, लेकिन बाद
हम्म।
में पता चला 6 नहीं, उसमें तो 10 एल्बो चाहिए। समझ
हम्म।
रहे हो?
हम्म।
तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो फिर जो परचेज वाला है ना, वो तुम्हारे पे चढ़ जाएगा। वो
ओके।
तुमने तो बोला कॉस्टिंग, क्योंकि वो कहते हैं उसकी कॉस्टिंग पहले ही डिसाइड हो चुकी होती
जी जी जी।
है ना? तो इसीलिए कहते हैं जब स्टार्टिंग में पाइपिंग करते हो, जब तुम प्रोसेस वाले के साथ करते हो, कि हमें इतनी करनी है फिटिंग्स कि हमारी कॉस्ट जो, ये ना हो कि प्रोजेक्ट हमारा 1 करोड़ का है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इतना छोटा होता नहीं, और तुम्हारी
हम्म।
कॉस्टिंग ही 1.5 करोड़ निकल रही है। तो
हम्म।
परचेज वाला कहेगा कि भाई तुमने तो 1 करोड़ बोला था, हमने तो 1 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट बेच के तुम 1.5 करोड़ का कर रहे हो।
हम्म।
वो कहेंगे नहीं, कुछ भी करो लेकिन ये चीज करो, नहीं तो तुम्हारी
हम्म।
सैलरी में से काटेंगे।
हम्म।
समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? तो
यस
ये
सर।
चीज हमको करना है।
हम्म।
क्लियर है ये चीज विशाल? तो इसमें
जी जी।
डाउट?
नो सर।
तारा जी, एनी डाउट?
No, no.
क्लियर ना, मीन्स
Yeah.
तो सर हम कल से पाइपिंग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं।
कल से पाइपिंग, हम मतलब ये है कि आज 3-4 इक्विपमेंट बना दो, सो दैट क्या है कि जब पाइपिंग करोगे ना, ठीक है,
हम्म।
और देखो जो नेविस दिए ना, उसके
हम्म।
जो इक्विपमेंट है वो उठा लो, अगर तुमको कोई वैसा नहीं है ना, तो वो
हम्म।
इक्विपमेंट उठा लो, सेम वैसा ही बना लो, डायमेंशन वाइज ऊपर नीचे होगा, चलेगा मुझे, कोई इशू
ओके।
नहीं। क्लियर ना मतलब?
ठीक है सर, मेरे को तो सर टाइम लगेगा, मैं प्रैक्टिस करता रहूंगा, अगर मेरे को डाउट होगा तो मैं बाद में भी पूछता रहूंगा सर, पाइपिंग के दौरान भी।
देखो
Yes,
मेन क्या है
Sharma.
मैं बताता हूँ, क्योंकि तारा
Sharma.
जी को दे हैड टू, he already told ना, he had to go outside abroad,
यस
so
यस
he
यस।
don't have that enough time to, means he has to do the things fast. Okay,
ओके।
तो मीन्स लाइक व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि जैसे करो, क्योंकि उनको 12 साल का एक्सपीरियंस, उनका वो अच्छा है, ठीक है,
जी
मैं उसमें तुमको ब्लेम नहीं करो, बट मैं ये करो कि प्रैक्टिस चाहिए, चाहे तुम स्लो करो
जी।
प्रैक्टिस, पर प्रैक्टिस चाहिए। रीजन क्या है, तुमने इक्विपमेंट
And
किया एंड यू मूव टू पाइपिंग, तो
and Sharma
यू
ji,
विल फॉरगेट द इक्विपमेंट इफ यू डोंट प्रैक्टिस।
a
यस
small
तारा
क्या।
talk.
जी?
अभी आप दिख रहा है ये इक्विपमेंट को?
नहीं नहीं, अभी स्क्रीन बंद हो गया, दोबारा शेयर करना पड़ेगा।
2 minutes. Can you see my screen?
जस्ट कमिंग, यस यस।
Yeah. See this today. I going to start this. Actually, this is a cooler.
कूलर,
Okay.
यस।
Yeah. So from where I can start?
सी,
Hmm.
this means just make this cylinder. Okay,
Hmm.
okay, okay, this cylinder and make cone over here. Okay, so for example, this is the dia. Okay, and this dimension also given.
Cannot
Sorry,
see your cursor.
sorry, sorry,
यस सर,
sorry, sorry.
कैन या।
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
cut.
Now I given control.
Okay, see, this
Uh,
is the whole cylinder dimension, correct?
uh, uh.
Okay, this is your that height.
Yeah.
Okay,
Space. Okay.
okay. See, one thing, this is given
This is
for the future expansion.
meant. Yeah. Maintenance. No, no,
Okay,
no. This is for maintenance because they need
sorry,
to.
sorry, my
Yeah,
mistake.
yeah, yeah,
Maintenance.
yeah.
So, for example,
Yeah.
if we need to do the maintenance, now what they will do, they will remove that. So, how much space is there now? Enough that space they will make for the maintenance. Okay,
So
so that
what this called cube or something volume
volume,
something is
volume,
there bundle
volume
no
means why it
bundle
is created,
bundle
why
cube
it is created. So, for example, if you created this in
cube
the
bundle na.
tube bundle, yes. So
Yes.
why they have created so that if other persons, okay, other discipline would not fit any equipments over here. So you might have enough space because normally what happen this side if this is separate, okay, this is separate, okay. So normally what they will do, this cylinder will be created separately, okay.
Yeah,
That's
reference
why its
point. This
dimension
na,
is
reference point.
uh, yes, it's a reference point.
From
So
where
that's
we have to start.
from here,
Okay, from oh no, no,
okay.
work
So
point is there now. Some
no,
I
see
heard like
what
that.
no, what I'm trying to say, normally
Oh, oh.
right now you can create as a simple single one, okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
okay. But in industry what they will do, that's why they have given the separate dimension for them. See,
Mm,
this
mm,
dimension
mm.
is different, this dimension is different, okay. So normally what they will do, they just create one cylinder, one this, okay, one this, okay, and one this, okay.
Mm.
So three cylinders will be created, okay. Any doubt, Karaji?
No.
Okay. So normally they what they will do, but physically in software you can't able to make three cylinder, you need to make one single, okay. So just make one single cylinder up to this height, okay. And after that, this cone, okay, this is a cone, okay. So this cone having some dia, okay, some dia,
That's I
okay.
will check. That's I will check. No problem.
You will check, okay. If
Mm,
not, I
mm,
will
mm.
tell you, okay.
I will check.
One dia, this one, there would be some height. For example, this dia is 3 meter. I'm just taking an example, okay. And this height is around 1 meter, okay. And this dia is also 2 meter. So you just make that one, okay. The nozzles you make accordingly.
No, no.
Means
Here,
check the
here, here, here. Sharma ji. Here.
Mhm.
What is this? This is cone,
This is cone, yes.
and only one side is there. No, the slant. See, this only.
Yes,
So that means we need to take option cone here.
yes. This is option cone, clear cut.
But one dia we need to give. Otherwise,
See, in cone there are two dias, top
yeah.
dia
This
and
this
bottom
you
dia.
can in this you can make just example. This one
Mhm.
only.
Yeah,
Can
see,
you?
for example, I'm just giving you an example. The
Okay.
whole length is 6 meter, dia,
Hmm,
sorry. Okay. So just make a 6 meter and 2 meter height. Okay. So
hmm,
just your one cylinder will be created. Okay.
hmm, hmm,
I'll just make a sniping image so that it will be clear for you. Okay.
hmm, hmm. 2 minutes.
Hmm. See,
Oh, this one, this one.
understand?
Yes, yes. Understood,
See, this
understood.
this would be separate. Normally,
Yeah, yeah.
what is like
Plan.
look like. That's
Yeah,
why I
plan.
told you you can't judge the equipment through this view. You
Yeah,
need to
yeah.
see this view also. See, this is
Okay,
a
okay.
box. Okay,
Mhm.
this is a box. Again a
And this
cone.
is cone, and again
This is
box,
cylinder. This is cylinder. Sorry, box.
box,
Hmm. No, no,
and
it's not box. Means just a second. No? Yes, it's a box. It's a box. Okay, it's a box.
yeah, box
Again
only.
cone, and then another box.
Okay, okay.
Means now
I,
understand?
yeah, I will check this.
Yeah, you
I
just
will
go
check.
through that equipment. See,
Mm,
means what
mm,
I'm trying to say, Tarak ji,
mm,
विशाल,
mm,
मेक बनाना को मुश्किल काम नहीं है, वो पता है, गिन चुन के
mm.
3-4 कमांडें यूज होनी है, लेकिन
Mm.
ड्राइंग को प्रॉपरली पढ़ पाना,
Yes,
इवेल्युएट
yes.
कर पाना. सी, अभी हमें यहाँ से क्या लग रहा है, एक सिलेंडर है, करेक्ट. बट व्हेन
Mm-hmm.
वी गो फॉर द दिस व्यू, we just came to know that this is a cone.
Mm-hmm.
Understand? This is also a cone. No issue in that. Okay. But see, from this we just came to know. Correct, no?
Mm-hmm.
So this is what I'm trying to say. Normally, according to this view, this box there, this one. Okay. This is one. Okay. This one. So means like what I'm trying to say, this box, then again this box. Okay. This box. So three boxes are there and this one cone. Cone, or you can create a box and negative primitive also. It's up to you how you will
Okay.
make.
Yeah, and
Okay.
one more thing, one more thing. See
Hmm.
here this manual is there, no manual.
Hmm.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, 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 yes.
So who will make uh, this cap, na? This is
No need to make. No need to make.
no
That is a
general I'm
vendor
asking.
fitting.
General I'm asking.
Hmm.
See here, example here also manual having the cap.
Hmm. Yeah.
So
See
we need
what
to
happened.
make cap.
No,
We
no,
need to
no,
drag and drop.
no, 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 no. What
Who
is
will place
what
this?
that is what I'm trying to say. That manhole, now, for example, right now you created a this
Yes.
simple nozzle.
Yeah,
Okay. But in industry, that
mm,
proper manhole as a nozzle will be installed on your PC. Okay. So simply when you select the nozzle, there would be an option of manhole. So when you click that manhole,
mm.
this will make just same like this in the drawing.
Yeah,
The
I
same
understood.
handle and everything will come.
Okay. The admin prepare
Creates, yeah, admin
model
creates it for you.
cap. Okay, right.
Because right now we don't have, so you simply created a this nozzle. That's it. That's enough.
Okay, right, right.
Understand now is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. Okay.
विशाल विशाल कोई डाउट
Vishal,
इसमें?
can you ask any question?
No, sir.
क्लियर है ना?
Yes,
तो
yeah.
मतलब मैं
Yes, sir.
उसको
Clear,
फिर
sir.
मैं इसको फिर वाइंड अप कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? और रिकॉर्डिंग में तुमको वी ट्रांसफर का लिंक उस पर भेज
जी.
दूंगा या ईमेल पे आ जाएगा तुम्हें, ठीक है?
Okay.
ठीक
Yeah.
है?
Okay,
अभी
thank
कोई
you.
मतलब मेन ये है कि प्रैक्टिस इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज
जी,
प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे पिछला भूलते जाओगे, कोई फायदा नहीं उसका,
जी, sir.
ठीक है ना?
Bye.
ठीक है, चलो, ओके तारक जी, हैं?
Bye. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
ओके।